Digital Products for Beginners: How to Start Selling Online with Zero Investment in 2026. Hey guys, in this video, I'll teach and show you digital products for beginners, how to start selling online with zero investment in 2026. So, first, we are on the Shopify dashboard. This is the main homepage where you can manage your online business. On the left side, you can see different sections like Home, Orders, Products, Customers, Marketing, Markets, Analytics, and Online Store. Since we want to start with zero investment, you can notice Shopify is offering a trial and asking you to select a plan later, which means you can begin setting things up before paying. Now, click on Orders from the left menu. This section will show all customer purchases once your store becomes active. Right now, there are no orders because the store is still new. After that, go to Products. This is one of the most important sections for digital products. Here, you can add your products or import them. If you are selling ebooks, templates, guides, or digital downloads, this is where you will create and manage them. Next, open Customers. This area helps you manage customer information and build your customer list. As your store grows, you can keep track of buyers and customer activity here. Then, move to Markets. This section allows you to manage where your products are available. In the screenshot, you can see an active market and options to create additional markets. This helps you reach different regions and audiences. Now, go to Analytics. This page tracks store performance, like sales, orders, and customer activity. Since this is a new store, the numbers are still at zero, but later, this section becomes very useful. Finally, click on Online Store. Here, you can preview and customize your website theme. You can see the store layout and use the Edit Theme button to personalize your shop before publishing. Short tip: spend time customizing your online store first, so visitors trust your brand.